guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in today. We're back here with Steve, my brother.
Good.
What was the last video you were in? Oh,
oil change?
We did an oil change, that's right. Steve is back. We're actually doing something a little fun today. He's gonna be driving the 350Z for the first time ever. I think this is, you don't know how to drive a manual, do you? Okay, so he's basically going to be learning how to drive a manual. Honestly, Temecula, where we're from, is just so many people and like all the parking lots and everything. So we're actually headed to this road that we know about where there's not very many people. We're going to, go back and forth, and Steve's going to basically drive the 350Z for the first time ever. It's a pretty easy car to drive. If you don't know how to drive a manual at all, I would say 350Z is like a perfect car to learn. Ready? It feels so good to have 350Z back. We had that misfire last week and it was just down for way too long, but we're good. We're back. This thing is running better than ever. So
it misfired last week?
Yeah, it was in the shop for like a week.
Oh god.
All right, we're here. We'll go down to the end, I guess.
Yeah, might as well.
Oh, the stop sign here is perfect, so you could like practice, with the clutch. All right, are you ready?
Oh god, I don't know if I'm ready. I think
you'll be ready. You'll be good,
my brother. Will you let me hold the reins?
Yes. No, you can be the first person. I think you'll be the first person to ever drive this thing.
You serious?
I don't even think Dad's driven it.
Oh god, pressure's on.
Yo, you got this. You got this. You got this. Oh god.
Oh shoot, I'm in the seat of a Z.
Yeah. Man, I didn't realize how far forward I sit.
I have quite the length.
Oh my god.
Yeah, look at that.
Do the back.
There we go.
Oh yeah. We can move some stuff. Get the McDonald's out of here.
Oh shoot.
Some oil. Some tahine.
What?
Tahine.
Yeah, that's the yes.
All right, try. As far as it'll go. How's the clutch feel? Get it to where you can like basically push it all the way against the floor. Like, can you feel the floor?
Right there.
Okay, yeah. So that's like where you normally sit?
Yeah.
All right.
So wow, this is crazy. I've never driven anything manual before.
Dude, this thing's got a lot of power too, so.
Alright.
No pressure.
This should be interesting.
So like if anything goes awry, if anything goes awry, just pull it into neutral, but you should be good.
Alright, so I'll put it into first, let go of the clutch, and then hit the gas.
Yeah. We flipped it around, you guys. The sun was just insane. As you can see, we got our visors down, but we got it. We flipped it around.
Better.
And we start again.
Back to it. Okay.
It's got those self-shutting doors.
Oh, I noticed.
That's an upgrade you can pay for from Nissan.
Oh, okay.
You just get in and it closes. It's amazing. Okay, so
one more time.
We got this. You got this. Watch. Honestly, you're probably gonna be like, you're probably gonna get it first try, and it's not even gonna be like hilarious. You're gonna be like, what this is easy, Johnny. This is easy. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do?
I hope it's gonna be like that. I'd be a bit more confident in myself if it was. Okay. Okay, so clutch is in.
Clutch is in.
I'm actually gonna move it a little bit.
Clutch is in.
Clutch is in. So
clutch is in.
So once I give it gas, after I put it in first, do I take my foot off the clutch and then give it gas?
Before you give it gas, I want you to feel what it feels like when it starts to pull. So right when you start letting the clutch out, if this is in gear, it's gonna start to push the clutch against the flywheel, right?
Okay.
So clutch in, put it in first. There it is. And so slowly let the clutch out.
With my foot?
You take your foot off the brake. Slowly let it out. And you'll start to feel the car jerk inch forward. Wait for it. Come on. It's got a really late grab. There. See how it's starting to go forward?
Yeah.
So you push the clutch back in. So right when it starts to push forward, get it to like, you want to get it to like literally to like 1200 RPMs or between 12 and 1800 RPMs. So between 1 and 2 basically.
Okay.
Yeah, and then so give it gas and let it out at the same time.
So at the same time, so
yeah. So yeah, because you want to catch it while it's starting to go. Oh no. Oh. Okay.
Okay, we're good.
You got it. Okay, now shift into second. So clutch in, shift, clutch out.
there's the pull. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So it revs pretty fast just because it's got a lot of power. So, but we're going. That's amazing. All right, we're in neutral. Dude, that was great.
All right.
That was
well, not bad.
That was freaking great.
Sick.
Didn't even install it on the first try. Let's try again. You got this. So, clutch in first, slowly let it out, and just right when you start to feel the car go, just give it a little gas. Like just, there you go.
There it is.
That's okay.
There
That's
it
why we're
is.
learning.
Alright.
Dude, the scariest thing is like you do that in an intersection and everyone's like, and you're like, well, I'm sorry, sorry.
Okay.
Alright, clutch in, neutral, alright.
We in. Alright.
Okay, so clutch in.
Okay. So.
And just slowly give it some gas. It's not going, it's not grabbing yet. There you go, there you go. Give it some gas. Just a little bit. There you go. There you go. Let out. Boom! That was smooth.
Smooth.
That was nice right there. Alright, not bad, not bad. So yeah, once you're going, it's a little easier to get it in the next gear. And then let it out slow and then give boom, just like that. Yeah. So like when you let it out fast, it's gonna slam the clutch no matter what. So, and then fourth. Nice. So you can imagine where the RPMs are gonna be. So.
Got it. Yeah.
And then you can put it in neutral and yeah. And then once it's in neutral, you can let the clutch out and just roll.
So when do I drift? So when do I drift?
All right. So first, rolling start. A little too much gas. Less gas.
Yeah.
And
Oh shit.
boom.
Oh yeah.
Ship down.
Clean. Alright.
Not too bad, you know.
Don't be scared.
No, I'm not scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm like,
Was that engine light on before?
I'm like, what do you mean, bro?
What do you mean?
Okay, so you got this. So yeah, just my foot's like slammed against the floor.
Nope, there's a stall. Okay.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Back again.
I was talking. Honestly, it helps if you can hear it.
If you can hear it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I always use the sound of the RPM.
So you can hear it pull? Oh, I
like,
can even start.
you can just hear where the RPMs are, you know? Like,
Okay.
there you go. Yeah.
Okay, back down a little bit. Oh, it's like trying to figure out like where it is.
Yeah.
That's the hardest part for
Yeah.
me.
This is not an easy car to learn manual. So let me wipe up this stuff.
Wait, can we go back to the beginning when you said it was like the easiest car ever? You could. Can we play that?
It's a pretty easy car to drive if you don't know how to drive a manual at all. Now you've driven this, once you drive the Miata, you're gonna be like, wow, the Miata's so easy.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah. We can just snap our fingers and be in the Miata.
Okay, sounds good. Ready?
Ready?
Oh my god, this is.
Oh yeah, you gotta get that seat back a little bit.
Maybe that'll help actually.
Where's my keys over there?
Like, whoa, dead mouse.
Yeah.
There we go. I've entered.
Oh, so close. You can make that the thumbnail.
Yeah, you can make it. Steve is driving a Miata. What? It's the
Okay.
90s.
It is the 90s, man. So clutch in.
Yep.
Give it a starting.
It's all.
Should be good.
It's in. All right. Check engine lights on. Is that bad?
Nah, you're good.
Okay.
Boom. All right.
Okay. All right. I feel like I'm in a pod right now.
Dude, the Miata is a pod, bro.
Yeah, pod man. Okay. So same stitch as earlier.
Yeah, same
with the-
same as before. So this is a lot easier. I mean, like, so the 350Z, it grabs really late, and then
This grabs early.
the Miata grabs like right when you start letting it out. So
So
push
if
the
I-
clutch in.
So if I stall this, I won't explode.
No, you're good.
Okay.
So put it in first. Now, before pressing the gas, let the clutch out and just feel how it grabs. There. Give it some gas. Boom!
Boom.
Beautiful.
We're driving.
Second. Gas. Boom!
Oh yeah, it feels way easier.
Way easier.
Yeah, let's go back to that part of the video game where you were like, the 350Z is.
It's a pretty easy car to drive if you don't know how to drive a manual at all.
Guys, manual's easy. There. Got it.
So the sketchy thing is like if you're on a hill and like there's a car behind you and you start rolling backwards and you have to give it gas, you know? There
I
you go.
see.
Go through the gears a little bit.
Oh, whoa, the power steering.
I know, right?
Where? So will it grab just?
Yeah, it should. So if you're in first, and give it some gas. Kind of imagine where the RPMs would be, you know, and then put the RPMs right where you think they would be. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Nice.
Got it.
Yeah. So
Okay, that's not bad.
yeah, it's pretty easy.
I could totally get around this way if I wanted. If I wanted to. Oh
I start to give it gas once.
Oh, there it is.
It's all good. It's all good.
It's all good, y'all. Alright.
You'll feel it, right? Right there, and then give it gas. There you go.
Yeah,
so you want to get it to like 1500 right there, and you'll be good every time. And then, yeah. Yeah. You got it. Like, we need to get you a Miata now, or a 240 or something. Something manual.
It's a lot of focus, like in the beginning.
Literally.
I'm gonna flip it around, just right up here.
Yeah. You can probably put it in second because we're rolling a little bit. There you go.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Floor it, get it to like 6,000, and then shift. There you go. Shift it. Nice. And then shift again.
Yeah,
there you go.
Yeah. There.
Nice.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Not bad. Not bad.
It's pretty fun, honestly. Like, it's that extra little like thinking you have to do that makes it exciting, you know?
Yeah. True. True.
It makes even a slow car feel pretty exciting.
Oh, yeah, there it is. It's just like trying to get up from first, kind of. Is like the tricky part. I feel like. Yeah,
you can give it a little more gas. You can get it to like 15. It's kind of hard to, you know.
It's that part. It's like trying to figure out where that sweet spot is.
Yeah. Gas. There you go. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, like once you're rolling, it's easy. Yeah, it's literally once you're like from going from a stop.
Yeah, once you're rolling, it's way better.
Yeah. You can downshift into third.
Oh, downshift. Oh, so.
Yeah, so like if you want to say you're in fourth and you want to bring it down to third, say you're coming up to a corner, and like you're in fourth, which is too high of a gear. Because obviously, if you're in fourth gear, you can't go 10 miles an hour in fourth gear, you know?
Yeah.
You'd have to drop it down lower.
Yeah. Say like I want to downshift.
So if you then drop it into second, and then rev it up a little bit because the RPM should be a little higher. There you go, see? Every time you shift to like from first to second, the RPMs go down, you know? And then like second to third, it goes down even more. So it's like reverse. So if you go from third to second, you have to bring the RPMs up a little bit more. And then go to fourth again, down, and then try and go back to third. So put it to third, and then rev it a little bit, and then let the clutch out. There you go. See it grabbed.
Oh, I see.
So you can kind of move around between them, just depending on where your RPMs are. Yeah.
I always thought downshifting was the most confusing part.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's all. It's not guessing, but you really have to know. Like that's why I feel like the sound really matters, because if you can just kind of like feel at the, because it all depends on what your speed you're going. You know, because you can't downshift into second going 50 miles an hour. Yeah. So kind of like tap the gas a little bit, like with your foot, and then kind of let it out, and kind of. Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Yeah, so you can kind of feather it a little bit. Yeah. So, but you got it.
That's pretty much it?
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Oh.
And then now that you know how to had a little bit more practice in the Miata, then we have to get back in the Z and
try it again.
Yeah.
Alright.
Have you done it?
Really?
Sure.
Alright,
so go into that like open spot in the middle, and then turn it all the way. Come to a stop. Put it in first. And then just kind of feather the gas, but give it a little more feathering like than you were before. Get it to like 25, 3,000. And then let off the clutch instantly.
Pretty much. Almost. Almost.
You got it. Try again?
Yeah.
Oh. There it is.
Yeah. All right, dude. Oh my god. I've never done that in my life.
Isn't it fun? I mean, it's like so easy in the dirt.
That's sick. That's so fun.
You want to try? Oh.
Shoot. Oh my god, let me go.
There you go, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, it's amazing how quickly it clicks in your brain
you just get
once you finally get it now.
It's all like muscle memory, kind of.
Yeah.
You just feel it.
It's amazing how it just suddenly clicks, like you know exactly where you need your foot to be.
Yeah.
Wow. That's crazy.
No, that's way better than you were earlier.
Oh, this is nothing, dude. This is nothing. Oh, wow, man. That's crazy. It's so amazing when it's just like finally you just get it.
You can just do it. It's like the moment when you like realize that you can ride the bike.
Yeah.
I'm doing it.
Yeah. That's exactly how it feels. Yeah.
Amazing.
That's sick. Awesome. Okay. This is crazy. Yeah, with the thumbs up. He was like, yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Steve actually learned how to drive the manual today, which is awesome.
I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, it's not that hard.
Yeah, it's really not that bad.
Thank God.
We have to actually pick a car now Steve needs to get. So should he get a 240, you know, a Miata, or should he get a 350z, or like what should he get? Go ahead and drop it in the comments down below. You know, totally up for anything as long as it's rear wheel drive and manual transmission. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Hit the thumbs up if you did. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace out.